what are the latest development and trend in the fintech and digital banking?
Now the fintech has evolved, and it is not limited to payments. So it can be, the fintechs are now the party to each and every financial product when you talk about wherever it is being delivered, who is being served, but they are party to it. May it be insurance, may it be the onboarding journey of a customer, may it be banking, may it be anything we talk about under the roof. So when it comes to what's are the trends, the things which are coming up, that you will find fintech who is not only passing the transaction in from one point A to point B, but they are also the party to the entire growth of the ecosystem, where right from the person who is asking for it and the party who is offering it, they are part of each and every node to it. That gives us a confidence that yes, this is the era when we will see the highest transition happening from one kind of banking to the other point of another kind of banking, where we see a lot of innovations in terms of how you can mitigate risk, what can you do in partnership with the existing systems, how can you go to a regulator saying that yes, this is the way which can solve the purpose of your threat which you think about, and this is how any businesses can be made, which is not that digital savvy. So that is how I personally feel that.
Yeah, Mr. Sandeep, what you're talking about, we are talking about what is the trend. Because we see the last 5 years, so fintech is playing very, very important role.
Yeah,
Even the bank had to adopt it from traditional banking. They are coming into a digital banking, what I can say.
yeah.
Because those banks who are not adopting the digital banking, I think they will be lag behind for that.
Yeah,
Even
so some
earlier,
certain numbers, if you see,
yes,
sir. So the number of branches opened in last 10 years,
sir.
if you see the number of branches being opened, the ATMs being opened, they have a current CAGR of 2 to 3% only, right? And that is why the businesses like us, the RapiPay of the world, they have come up very strongly, because we are the extended arms of the bank, where we ensure that the last mile of the universe or the ecosystem gets served with an extension to all the compliances and banking facilities which are possible to the last mile. Now, how it is being done, it is the technology which has extended. It is also the reach and the distribution, where you can collaborate and think about, okay, since we are not physically present as a bank, how can we be available via the partner platform, right? So all that has been a great shift. Banks are even now thinking about, they always have been a model which was a fixed asset model, versus now they are thinking about how can we ensure that we do not increase on the fixed side of it, but it can be a pay per piece model or a variable cost model, where they necessarily not need to open new branches, but they can create such an ecosystem that they continue to grow in terms of new acquisition of customers, and also their loan book or the deposit book, whichever we talk about, that continues to grow, right? So right from the distribution to execution plus the technology advancement, these banks are now very open, and few have already taken a greater step, great leap, while others are following up. It's not the matter of being modern, it's also the question of that, are you going to sustain if you don't do that? So that's the way it is going forward.